In this tutorial, we'll review an automatic method to execute entities that contain Z tables or custom CDS views. Standard SAP processes use BOR or wrap events to detect record changes, but this doesn't apply to custom Z tables or CDS views. For these cases, we provide an alternative method to execute entities with such tables using a Z program developed by Onibex. The first step is to create an any entity within the SAP Data Modeler. This process was reviewed in the video tutorial, creating and executing an any entity. The main difference in this process is that when creating the any entity, you'll add the Z tables you want to send. To do this, click Build Join. In the graphical modeler, add the desired Z tables or custom CDS views, following the standard process for adding tables to an entity. Once the tables are set up, return to the entity configuration and select Column Definition to choose the columns you want to send. In Column Definition, select the fields you want to include in the entity execution, following the standard process. Finally, ensure the configuration for the any entity is complete. Remember to set tag 1 as any. Once finished, save your customizing. Now, in the SAP main screen, type transaction SE38 in the search bar. In this transaction, enter the following program name, Z_program_CUD_Z tables. Click on Change or Display. Update this Z program to include the necessary logic to handle the tables specific to your implementation. This process ensures the program reacts to create, update, and delete events on the Z tables. To manage and modify this program's code, you'll need an ABAP developer to apply the required changes for your created entity. After finishing modifying the code, you can test the functionality by executing the program. Fill the required parameters and click Execute. After execution, an informative message will appear at the bottom of the screen. Then, review the sent data in your endpoint destination. If you need further assistance with this program, contact the Onibex team.